Uneven cooking in the oven can be caused by a variety of factors. If the oven is not level, it can lead to poor heat distribution, resulting in some areas of the food being overcooked while others are undercooked. This can occur due to uneven floors or an oven that is not properly installed, causing it to tilt. Over time, an oven can also lose its calibration, which can lead to inaccurate temperature readings and uneven cooking. Additionally, frequently opening the oven door or leaving it open while food is cooking can disrupt heat distribution, resulting in uneven cooking. To troubleshoot these issues, start by checking the oven's level. Use a bubble level to test the top and bottom surfaces of the oven, and adjust them as needed by screwing and unscrewing the relevant parts until they are accurately level. If the oven is not well calibrated, consider purchasing an oven thermometer to compare its readings with the oven's built-in thermometer. This will allow you to adjust the temperature settings and ensure accurate calibration. Another simple solution is to keep the oven door closed while food is cooking. Instead of opening the door to check on the food, use the oven's internal light to monitor its progress. By identifying and addressing these common issues, you can easily troubleshoot and resolve uneven cooking problems in your oven.